much, but I don't know how to get through to you.